Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and give you my first impressions of the Pixel 7a. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, I said that was going to be a quick unboxing. It was really quick. There's not much to unbox anymore when you pick up a phone. But nice presentation from Pixel, you know, the normal box you get. Yes, I picked up the Pixel 7a in snow. There was not a lot of people picking up this color, and I think they got the coral one or the blue one, but there's nothing wrong with a nice looking phone, a white phone. I love the white phones. You can actually turn this into a Panda, you know, Pixel 2XL if you wanted to. Just get a skin for the back and you can make it look like a Panda phone, just like the old school. I decided to pick up the Pixel 7a. I want to try it out. I'm going to go over the specs really quick. I'm going to go use the phone for probably about 24 hours and then come back and let y'all know how I feel about the Pixel 7a. Yes, I have its big brother, the Pixel 7 Pro. And I'm still using my S23 Ultra. And I had the OnePlus 11. But this is about the Pixel 7a. So let's get into it. Alright, so on the front, you have a 1080p panel. It is an OLED panel. It actually is up to 90 Hertz refresh rate. Does it have any power? I think it does. It has the G2 Tensor chip in here. So just like my 7 Pro, it has the same processor. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. It's running Android 13 on here. And that screen looks good. I mean, it has some bezels on the side. What y'all think about the bezels? Now, it's still running Android, so you get all the great features that you would get on the 7 Pro, but for, you know, a cheaper price. Now, they did go up on the price, which we will talk about that in a moment too. The back is plastic, but you have a 64 megapixel regular lens and then a 13 megapixel ultra wide. No telephoto lens on here. The front camera is a 13 megapixel front camera. You can shoot 4K and 60 and 30 on the rear, and then 4K at 30 on the front camera. But let's go over the phone. You have your SIM card slot, USB charging port, speaker and a mic, volume rockers, and then the power button. At the top, you have some antenna bands and then also another mic. You do have that little camera cut out there, or camera bar, I don't know what you want to call it, with the flash, the Google logo on there. Now the back is plastic though. How do y'all feel about this? Y'all let me know. We can definitely have a friendly discussion. The battery size is 4385 milliamp hour battery. They say you can get over 24 hours of battery life. Comes with fast charging, wireless charging. The fast charging is not the fast like you think about when you think about overseas phones. Not that fast of a charging on there. Hopefully the battery life is better than what it was on the Pixel 7 Pro. It does have IP67 water and dust resistance. It also has stereo speakers on here. So it packs a lot for the price of $499. So what I'm gonna do now is pause the video. I'm gonna go put all my stuff in, go use the phone for about 24 hours, come back, give you my first impressions about it, and let's have a friendly discussion. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I've been using the phone for 48 hours now. I actually used it a little bit longer than what I thought I was going to, but I wanted to give y'all a good first impressions of the Pixel 7a. I actually released a 4K video camera shot with our samples with this phone. It's on my channel already. Go check that out. I may link it in the description. I will get into the cameras in just a little bit, but I want to discuss the things that bug me and that I noticed about this phone that I just want to bring up. The first thing is not a major thing because it's my issue. I knew when I bought the phone what I was getting into. It's just the overall size of this phone. The display is just, it's small. I need a bigger display for my phones. I am used to like the Pixel 7 Pro or the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm just used to the bigger phones. Now, I know for a fact that a lot of folks will love the feel of this display. They will love the size of it, the size of the phone, and I understand that. But for me, I don't know. I think it's just a little too small. That's why I always use the 7 Pro and not the 7 myself, because it's just a bigger phone. Now, that is not a deal breaker. I knew when I was buying the phone what I was getting into. The next thing I want to talk about is the display looks beautiful. I mean, inside it is bright, but when I was filming outside yesterday, it wasn't the brightest in the middle of the day trying to film a video. It just wasn't as bright as some of my other phones that I use. And I'm going to just bring that up to y'all attention. I mean, overall, when you're watching YouTube videos, when you're inside, I mean, it gets bright. Look, this is not a bad looking display. It can get bright very easily on the inside. But when you are outside, it definitely wasn't the brightest display. The next thing I noticed too, maybe it can fix with updates, but it just seems like it moves a little bit slower than even the Pixel 7 Pro and especially my S23 Ultra with the Snapdragon processor in there. So I wish that it didn't hiccup a little bit, but when I was trying to open up apps, it would just take a little bit longer than what I was used to, but maybe with more time it would get into its groove. But that was some of the things I noticed about it. Now, the battery life, I still need to test out, see how good that is or how bad it is. Not sure. I'm on one cycle of the battery. I did a lot of camera tests yesterday, so it drew the battery out pretty quick. So I'll come back with the battery. But the speakers on here sound really good. The dual stereo speakers are good on here. Now, in the cameras, the 4K footage that I shot with the rear camera and this front camera are really good. Not an issue. I think they came out good. I think you can actually use this camera for your YouTube videos if you didn't want to use a regular camera to shoot them. I mean, it did that good of a job. And we know Google is good for photos, so the photos look really good. Stay tuned. I probably will do like a comparison with the S23 Ultra just to have some fun, maybe even with the Pixel 7, because that's what a lot of people are comparing it to. I will get into that comparison later. Now, the other question everybody wants to answer is, should you upgrade from the 6A? This one comes with wireless charging. It has face unlock. I think the cameras are better. Do your homework, and I would say definitely go with the upgrade, but that's just me. You do your homework. You make your own decision. It is a beautiful looking device though. Stay tuned to the channel. Y'all let me know what other videos you want on this device. I will try to make them. Someone wants a battery charging test or a battery charging, see how fast it charges the battery. I don't know, I may do that video. I might do a gaming video on here just to try out the capability of the Tensor chip in here. I think I called it a G2 in the beginning, G2 Tensor chip. I don't know what I said in the opening of this video. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This was just a 48-hour quick unboxing video of me rambling about the Pixel 7. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7a. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And like I said, in the comments, leave me what you want to see with this device, and I will try to make the videos. Y'all have a great day. Until next time, peace. I'm out.